We have hit 10,000 subscribers and this is crazy. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much to each one of you who supported this channel and was there since the beginning. And thank you for commenting, sharing, or liking the video and increasing the reach. And you can see this is our channel analytics and it's rising. And I'm about to hit 4,000 watch hours soon and my channel will be monetized really quickly. And you can see that this is the number of views we have gained in the last 2 days, and and very soon it will be 1 lakh views in 2 days. So basically 50,000 views in a day. So our channel is doing really well and this is really crazy. And 10,000 subscribers, this was never expected. And I have a lot of things which I want to share. So the thing is things are happening really fast and it's it's a bit difficult to handle so much in so less time, and I'm receiving a lot of messages and from you guys, and it feels really good that you consider me a fan or ideal person. But the thing is it's a bit distracting too, and it's a bit difficult balancing it with my studies and everything. So, by the way, do you want me to do a face reveal or start making face videos? And I also have to make a lot of dark web videos as I had promised you guys. And the thing is, I'm not getting time, but I'll do it really soon. And I have a lot of topics to cover, and these are some amazing topics. And some of the topics are not even covered by other YouTube channels. So this is the thing. I have ideas about 300 to 400 videos, but the only problem is time. But I'll manage it, no problem. So we are gaining around 500, more than 500 subscribers per day, and if this rate continues, and hopefully this will also increase, but even if we go by this rate, it will take 7 or 8 months and we will hit 1 lakh subscribers, and even 10,000 subscribers is enough for me, and I'm really happy that I have 10,000 people watching my videos and I can share my knowledge and guide them to the right path. And the main motive of making this channel was not to gain views or make money or something, and you can see I've not made anything. I'm going to complete 4,000 watch hours and my channel will be monetized now. And one thing is that you don't expect if you are making a cyber security content, you cannot expect to make tons of money. And the main goal of making this channel was to share knowledge and like uh, save people from getting misguided, because I see a lot of people buying crappy ethical hacking courses and which give you really little knowledge. And the main motive was to make people self learn and share the good resources which I have used, because the thing is I have a mentor and he has never charged me a single penny for teaching anything, because he believes that knowledge should be free to those who are dedicated, and I believe the same. And this is what I want to do through this channel. I want to share my knowledge as much as I can. But the problem is, if I make practical videos, YouTube will take it down. And one more thing why I don't want to make practical videos is because I think there are tons of tutorials on YouTube and you can easily go and search for them. I think what this cyber security industry lacks is that those who are beginners, they find it really difficult. There are a ton of things to learn as a beginner and it's really overwhelming and it is really difficult, and there is no one to guide you. And I want to be that guide. I want to guide people and I want to share the good resources from which they can self learn. This is my main goal of this channel. So let's come to the future plan of this channel. So I'm planning to make videos and it will be like at least 3 videos per week. I'll keep the consistency. And what other type of content you can expect? So it will be quick videos. Obviously that will be the main content, and mostly it will be sharing resources, sharing facts about cybersecurity and other good stuff. And apart from that, I'll also try making face videos and longer videos once in a while. And I've also planned to make a video on the path which I follow. If you go to the link in my description, or if you go to the about section of my channel, you will see that there is a link on how I learned hacking, and it's really useful. If you haven't read it, go and read it. So I'm planning to make a long and complete video in which I talk about the path and explain it more briefly. So this is what I'm planning to do. And apart from that, I'm also interested in making some dark web and deep web videos, and because I find these things really interesting. And apart from this, I've also planned to do cyber talks with a lot of guys in cybersecurity, and these are some amazing people who have a lot of knowledge and they have been in this field longer than me. And it will be really useful if they can share their part of story and share their side of knowledge. Another thing I wanted to talk about is that I see a lot of people tell me to make tutorials. I don't think you need tutorials. There are a ton of tutorials if you are a beginner. I would suggest just follow the path, go to the link in my description and follow the article. It is really helpful, and there are a ton of channels like Hackersploit. If you are a beginner, it's really helpful, and videos are really fun to learn from. And another thing is that I see a lot of people tell me to make videos in Hindi. So it is basically the language of India, and most of the Indians are familiar with it. And I've seen that 80% of my audience is from India. So I think I can make a few Hindi videos too. If you want me to make videos in Hindi, not all videos. If you want some videos in Hindi too, then comment in tell me in the comment section and I'll do it. And that is the thing. The reason I make it in English is because a lot of people can understand what I'm saying, and maximum people will get my message. So this is the plan. Thing I wanted to talk about is making courses. So if you go to any cybersecurity channel, you will see that they have a course or link to the course which is paid. So it is completely fine. I'm not against it. It's their wish. They can make the courses and it's their hard-earned money. If they want to, they can. So the thing is, I have gained knowledge from my mentor for free, and for me, it is really wrong to charge money. This is my side. It's completely my opinion, and I've learned that money can never buy knowledge. So if you want to gain knowledge, knowledge should be free for everyone, and it should not be given to only those who pay money or something. So I've planned this, and I'm thinking about setting up a Patreon, and after monetization, there will be a join button beside my name. So if you want, you can give me a small contribution or anything if you want to. It's not compulsory, and whatever money I'll get, I'll keep it really transparent and I'll show you whatever I've got, and whatever money I'll get will be used in the community itself. I'll use it to maybe buy books and some hacking hardwares, and I can make videos on it. And we can also do hack the box giveaways and some amazing giveaways, and this is the idea I have. So this is the plan. If you can, I will be really happy if you can contribute anything. Even if you cannot, there are a lot of students who are watching this. You don't have to do it, and I'm always ready to share knowledge with everyone. And also, I'll try to keep the amount really low, and it's just a kind of small support you can show me. And we can do something like those who will contribute, maybe they can get a small perks like some custom emojis and stickers, and maybe they can get early videos. Like I can show them the video in a group, and that will be released after a few hours or one day. So the thing is, everyone will get the same thing. There will be no discrimination or something, and eventually everyone will get to see the videos whatever I make. So I can make a few perks, like maybe those who join my channel, they can get maybe like a chance to talk with me for 10 minutes on video call or something. And obviously I won't tell them anything extra about cyber security or anything. That is completely wrong, and it will be just a normal talk. and that is it. And even if you don't, I'm always there to help you. And I've replied to everyone who has messaged me on Instagram. I never and see the message or do something else. But it's really tough for me to manage so many messages. Even at 10k, I'm getting like 15-20 messages on Instagram, and it's really hard to answer them. So this is something I'm planning. If you think this is I can do this, tell me if I should set up a Patreon page. And so I had made this page called Zeus Cybersec on Instagram, but I was not getting the time to post all the videos. But I'll do that really soon. And I'm really grateful to two people in my life. One is my mentor who has helped me throughout the journey, and it was amazing. He has helped me a lot, and I would also like to thank Crypto the Llama. So, for those of you who don't know, my channel is inspired from Crypto the Llama's videos, and he makes short videos too. And he had told me to make more videos and even subscribe to my channel, and he's an amazing guy. And I'm really thankful to him, and it is because of him that I have this channel with 10,000 subscribers. So, thank you so much, Crypto. And other than that, thank you so much, guys. This is really crazy. We have hit 10,000 subscribers. Anyways, so this was the plan. So we have a ton of things to do. And the reason I'm not making face videos is that you can see that my room is like there is nothing over here. So it's a completely blank room. I'm planning to set it up and maybe set up some cameras or get a good microphone for face videos and cyber talks. So once I've set up this room, maybe I can start making some face videos, because I don't want you to hear the crappy voice of my microphone. I have to get a decent one. I just use my phone to record these videos and edit them. So this is the plan. It will take time for me to make some face videos, and I'm a bit busy these days. I'm having my exams, and once it's over, I'll make some more videos and have some amazing plans and content coming up soon. So thank you so much, guys, and signing out, Zeus.